What's up, y'all? This is part 3 of the Cadillac Fleetwood build. In part 2, you can see where I gave y'all a little close-up view of the top lid sign. So for part 3, I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all ride with me as I wrap it. Everything's already done, all the routering, all the smoothing. So it's ready for wrap. So I'm gonna let y'all see how I do that, give y'all a little glimpse of that for part 3. Alright, so I went ahead and sprayed my glue. Got me some nice even coverage. It's been drying already for a couple minutes. Got the back side of my vinyl spray. So here's the top lid, got it all wrapped up. Next step is to go ahead and put my inserts in, do my plexiglass work on each one of these letters, get everything lit up. The wrapping came out good, everything's tight. So I'll be finishing up this top lid. So I was getting ready to put the pumps on. Everything lines up nice. Everything's tight. But there's a gap over here on this top side that the pump is not gonna be strong enough to hold it down, to suck it down whenever it gets pressure when it's closing. So I need to take the lid off, try to bend this arm down a little bit more so when it closes, it lays flat like the other side. So yeah, I ran into that little problem. That'll be it before I put the box in and hook the bang back up. I got the rear deck and the center console in already. Came out smooth. I got the front console in. Gonna be doing a little small rear console also. It's gonna be a little small compact one with 2 cup holders and some 6.5s back there too. There's the console. Got the USB for his phone. The other USB up top is the port for the radio if you want to play USB sticks. Got the monitor. The monitor is going to be synced to the radio and also the rear headrest. We're putting 2 flat screen headrests in here, so they'll all be synced to the head unit. That's why I don't have the bezel on there yet. I still need to run the wire just for the video all the way to the rear. Everything lights up. Boom. All right, so y'all stick with me. Gonna be dropping this one within the next week.